She did not leave Nigeria to forget who she was. She left to build a future. Amara arrived in the UK with one suitcase, a Nigerian passport, and a promise to herself that no matter how far she went, home would always live inside her. It was there she met Liam, different accents, different histories, the same belief in love. They got married in the UK. Their daughter, Ngozi, was born there too, under gray skies, wrapped in warmth, carrying two worlds in her name. For a while, life was simple, until Amara decided it was time to come home. She wanted her daughter to know Nigeria, to speak the language, to walk the soil her mother walked, to belong. But belonging, she learned, is not always given freely. At the government office, Amara stood in line for hours, forms in hand, hope in her chest. The official barely looked at her before asking the question she would hear again and again. Is the father Nigerian? No. The air changed. Suddenly the papers were not enough. Her passport was not enough. Her womb, her blood, her history, still not enough. They told her to bring more documents, then more, then to wait. Days turned into weeks, weeks into silence. Ngozi was denied a passport. A school asked for documents Amara could not provide. A child born of a Nigerian woman stood in her mother's land undocumented. At night, Amara dreamed. She saw women before her, mothers who carried children through wars, through borders, through laws written without their voices. She saw chains turn into paper, and paper turn into walls. Her aunt told her to be patient. That is how it has always been. Liam tried to understand her pain, but some pains cannot be translated. Still, Amara refused to let her daughter inherit silence. She returned to the offices. She spoke louder. She asked questions no one wanted to answer. She met other women, different faces, same story. And one day, after months of waiting, arguing, proving, insisting, a stamp landed on paper. Not as loud as a drum, not as dramatic as justice, but enough. Ngozi had a name on a document, and a nation that could no longer deny her completely. As Amara walked out into the sunlight, her daughter's hand in hers, she understood something clearly. Citizenship is more than law. It is recognition. It is dignity. It is a mother saying, my child belongs. And the fight is not over. Because until a woman's nationality carries the same weight as a man's, the struggle continues.